Good evening. My name is Chantel Robinson. That's SHONTELLROBINSON. I'm the Deputy County Manager and Health and Human Services Director for Forsyth County Government. Welcome to the Education Building located at the Winston-Salem Fairgrounds. I want to thank our Board of County Commissioners and the Winston-Salem City Council for partnering together to allow us to use this space. We're very excited about being here as it will allow us to more effectively and safely manage larger volumes of individuals who need to be vaccinated in our community. At this time, I will introduce County Commissioner Fleming Elamine.
Good evening, and I'll be very, very brief. But on behalf of the County Commissioners of Forsyth County, I want to really extend my gratitude and appreciation for the City of Winston-Salem for working with us to make this event happen. Our county and cities in this county are all concerned about health, and we want to make sure everyone is vaccinated on time and twice. So again, welcome, and we appreciate your immediate attention to this very important event. Thank you very much. And now you hear from Joshua Swift, the man who's really in charge of our health department.
All right, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Joshua Swift, JOSHUA-SWIFT, and I'm the Forsyth County Health Director. So just a few brief comments about our operations here at the Education Building. First note is starting tomorrow, all first and second doses of the COVID vaccine will be administered here at the fairgrounds at the Education Building. So repeat, all first and second doses of the COVID-19 vaccine will be administered here at the Education Building at the Winston-Salem Fairgrounds. Since December 22nd, the team at Public Health has administered 9,227 doses of the COVID-19 vaccine. We intend, with our throughput previously at the health department was just short of 600 doses per day. We anticipate being able to see well over 1,000 people per day, possibly more, here at the Education Building. Tomorrow, Sunday, the 24th, here at the Education Building, we have 700 appointments scheduled. And then Monday, we have 1,100 appointments scheduled, increasing Tuesday and throughout. So we're very excited about the opportunity to accelerate the amount of vaccine that's available, get that out into the community, and protect our citizens and residents of Forsyth County. So at this time, I want to turn over to Glenda Dancy, our Assistant Health Director, to tell us more about the vaccine and the work that they've been doing. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Glenda Dancy. I'm one of the Assistant Public Health Directors here at the Health Department, GLENDA DANCY. Just want to tell you a little bit about the work that we've been doing. Our staff has been working tirelessly to prepare vaccine and get this operation together. It's been a lot of hard work, but what's rewarding for us is to see the patients that are coming through. So we have a lot of patients who've not been out of their home since COVID started in March, and also for our population that we're managing now, their grandparents. And so they're very excited to be able to be vaccinated and feel more comfortable out in public and around their families. So at this time, I will turn it over to Naya Payne, who's our business process analyst.
Hello, my name is Naya Payne. I'm the Business Process Analyst here at Public Health, NIHYAPAYNE. I'm also part of the logistics team here for the Education Building COVID-19 Vaccinations. Before we get started on the tour, are there any questions anyone has? I'm sorry, do you mind repeating the question? So individuals will park in the annex parking. You can reach that parking lot off the Deacon Boulevard, right in front of the hockey ring or ice hockey. And we'll have signs directing individuals up to the education.
What's the capacity of this facility, and how many people do you anticipate being in the process of vaccinating?
So the question is, how many people do we plan to vaccinate in this facility? And so currently at the health department, we're processing a little less than 600 people per day. Here we plan to double that capacity. And so it'll be a phased approach. Tomorrow we're going to start with about 700 individuals. On Monday we'll be about 1,100 individuals, and we'll gradually go up until we're comfortable with the process. But we're very excited and think that we can get really good throughput to ensure that we're able to vaccinate all the individuals in the community.
Put in a scale about how impactful doubling your capacity is. Like, what impact does that make on the county?
So the question was, what does this doubling the throughput do for our county? So the faster we're able to get this vaccine into the arms of Forsyth County citizens, the faster we're able to get back to normal. The faster that people can get together and gather and have that protection from this virus. So we're very excited. It's a heavy lift. I appreciate all the staff that's been working countless hours in the past month to get this vaccine out, for the past 10 months to focus on this contact tracing and testing. But it's the faster we can do this, the faster we can get back to normal.
Are there any current limitations on where that number is deployed? Are there any constraints in where this is trying to work out?
Well, the question was, what are the constraints? What would be some limiting factors? I believe that was your question. So as we've stated, we have been maxed out at the Department of Public Health at around 600 people per day. The rate limiting factor there was the 15-minute wait after you get the vaccine. And due just to the size and the space that's needed and the number of people then you can get through, 600 has been the max. We anticipate within the second day being up to 1,200 persons per day. I believe Tuesday we're up to 1,500 per day, and then we want to see how that goes. And all of this is based on the supply of vaccine that we get from the state. But so we're working through that, and we're also looking at 21 to 28 days later, we'll have people coming back for their second dose. So we have to take that into consideration as well.
I understand this. Is there anything you want to say to people that are queuing up for this and maybe waiting and hoping for their phase line to break through? What do you want them to know?
Well, I would just want them to know to please be patient. In Forsyth County alone, we have 55,000 individuals that are 65 years of age and older. And this week we got 5,000 doses. So the supply is not meeting the demand, and we're seeing that across the state and across the nation. So I'd encourage people to continue to be patient, continue to be diligent, follow the 3 W's of wearing your mask, washing your hands, staying 6 feet apart, avoid large and even small gatherings. So it will take some time to get the vaccine out there, but we're encouraging everyone to be patient. And I would just say we're getting really good feedback from individuals that have come through our vaccine clinic. Really proud of the staff that have made an organized, efficient process where people can come through and get their vaccine, get the information they need, get a second appointment. Now we've instituted that, and it's a very smooth process.
Are you worried at all about outside residents coming in to get their vaccine, like maybe someone from Guilford County? And if they do, will that slow down the process of vaccinating people in Forsyth County?
So the question was, are we worried about individuals from outside the county coming to Forsyth County to get their vaccine? And the answer is no. We've got clear direction from Secretary Cohen and Governor Cooper that this vaccine is available to anyone inside the state or anyone outside the state. And this COVID-19 doesn't know any borders for county or state. So we will vaccinate people, and we have vaccinated people from outside the county so far.